In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change account in Cursor AI. If you use Cursor for coding with AI assistants, there are times when you need to switch accounts, for example, moving from a personal profile to a work one. I'll guide you through the exact flow so nothing gets lost or confusing. First, make sure Cursor AI is installed on your computer. If you already use it, you're set. Then, open the Cursor application. Give it a second to load your workspace. Before changing accounts, confirm you're currently signed in. You'll typically see account details or an avatar inside the app. Being logged in lets us reach the sign out controls we need. Next, look for the gear icon. This small gear is the shortcut to app preferences. Click it, then choose Settings. Inside Settings, locate the Log Out option and select it. Cursor will sign you out of the active account. After you've logged out, switch your focus to the AI agent area in Cursor. This is important because the Login button appears there. On the left side, you'll see a login option highlighted in red. Click that. A secure browser window will open automatically to handle authentication. If you have unsaved work, take a moment to save it first. Account switching won't delete local files, but services tied to the previous profile, like cloud histories or usage quotas, may differ once you switch. In the browser, click Continue to sign in with email. You'll be offered a few ways to authenticate. Choose the provider that matches the account you want to use: Google, GitHub, or Apple. If you're switching to a different workspace or identity, make sure to pick the correct provider so your project settings and usage carry over properly. Next, select your email address associated with that account. Double-check that it's the right one, especially if your device remembers multiple logins. Finally, click Log In. The browser will complete the sign-in and hand you back to Cursor. Give the app a moment to refresh. You should now see that you're authenticated under the new account, and your AI features and usage limits will reflect that profile. If anything looks off, wait a few seconds for sync to finish, and then continue working where you left off. That's it. You've successfully changed your account in Cursor AI by logging out from Settings, using the AI Agent tab to access the sign-in, and completing the login in your browser. Thanks for watching, and happy building.